Now we are discussing the topic of electricity, unit number first, and now we are discussing the electricity. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the basic about the charges. What is the basic unit of charge? What is the type of charges? How many type of charges will be exist in the nature? And there are various types of phenomena we have to know in the previous lecture. Now we are discussing the basic system of the basic formula which are related to the charge. First, we have to know what is the value of current. So first we have discussed in the topic of electricity. Now we are discussing the current. Current. What is the basic definition of the current? The rate of flow. Definition of the current is the rate of flow of charge. The rate of flow of charge is known as current. This is the basic definitions, because in the previous lecture we have discussed about the charge, and now the rate of flow of charge, that is the basic definition of the current, that is electric current. Basically it is the electric current. Now we are discussing the electric current. The rate of flow of charge is known as current. The rate of flow of charge, that means current, it is represented by I. This is the symbol. This is the symbol using in electricity. This is the symbol of the current. Symbol using in the electricity I. This is the symbol of current. In the whole of the electricity, we are using the symbol of I. This is the current. Now, what is the definition says? Current I is equal to rate of flow of charge. It means dq by dt. dq by dt is the current. This is the correct definition. Says about the basic definition of the current. I is equal to dq by dt. This formula is only valid for the instantaneous current. This is only valid for instantaneous current. If we are using this formula for the average current, what is the value of average current? We are using this formula for the average current. I average is equal to delta Q by delta T. This is the formula for the average current. This is the formula for the average current. Average current. Delta Q by delta T, it means Q final minus Q initial. Delta means Q final minus Q initial divided by T final minus T initial. This is the basic formula we are using in the current electricity. I average is equal to delta Q by delta T. This is Q final minus Q initial upon T final minus T initial. What is the unit of the current? Now we are interested to know what is the unit of current, what is the SI unit of the current. We have already know that current is the rate of change of charge with respect to time. Hence we can see that charge is measured in coulomb. Here the unit of charge. Here the unit of charge. Unit of charge. Here the unit of charge. Unit of current. Unit of current is equal to delta Q by delta T. This is the basic definition of the current. This is the basic definition of the current. Here we know very well, charge is measured in coulomb. Charge is measured in coulomb and time is measured in seconds. Time is measured in second. It means the unit is coulomb per second. Coulomb per second is the unit of the current. Unit of current is coulomb per second. But in the famous scientist Ampere, this current will be equal to ampere. It means this already equal to ampere. This is also say as amperes. Now the SI unit of the current. Now SI unit of the current. SI unit of current is ampere. But we can say that coulomb per second is also right. But in the famous scientist Ampere, for the donation of the physics is very well defined in the manners. So we have to define coulomb per second is also known as ampere. But we have generally seen in the books the unit of current is ampere. Now we are discussing what is the unit of the current. Now we are discussing current is a scalar quantity or a vector quantity. How we can define current is a scalar quantity or a vector quantity. Actually current is tensor quantity. Actually current is a tensor quantity, but in 10th syllabus this is treated as a scalar quantity, but in the 10th syllabus it is treated as scalar quantity. Because we have no idea about the tensor. In the 10th level, we have no idea about the tensor quantities. So we have to understand only as scalar and vector quantities. Now the electric current is a scalar quantity.